Hi, I am Afia. Today I will be recycling a wine glass bottle, turning it into a decoration piece. The material we required for this DIY is a jute rope, thick and thin, white acrylic paint and a foam brush, white glue and an empty glass bottle. Step 1. Paint the bottle with acrylic paint. When the first coat of paint is dry, apply second and third respectively. Step 2. Apply the white glue and wrap the jute rope around the bottle neck. Step 3. Make 4 knots of thick jute rope with an equal distance on a thin jute rope. The length of the thick rope should be thrice the size of the bottle. Step 4. Stick the knotted thin rope around the edge of the bottle neck with white glue. Step 5. Make knots and cross knot pattern. Step 6. Secure the rope ends at the bottom of the bottle with glue, and your DIY decorative glass bottle is ready.